this is our room. So we did get a bunk bedroom, which is what I have requested. So this is the door to the other room, which we don't need. There's a closet here. Just a standard closet with the safe. And we got nice extra pillows and a bathrobe, complimentary bathrobes to use during the stay. And then on this side is the bathroom. Hello, with two sinks. I love this mirror. Hello. And then we've got all of these toiletries. So we've got sunscreen, lotion, body wash, conditioner, shampoo, foot rub, shower cap, mouthwash, vanity kit, and cooling aloe gel, which I'm pretty sure my husband's gonna need. And then a facial soap, lots of outlets. And then now down here is a garbage, and I'm pretty sure over here is a hair dryer. So then over here is a washroom with the toilet, towels, a nice shower curtain, a full-length mirror, and a bathtub with another bath soap in here. And I like the little details. So then walking in, there's the bunk beds. There's no outlets on this side. And then over here we have coffee maker. And then I think this is a mini fridge. This is a smaller fridge than the one at Art of Animation, I think, but that's okay. Won't be using it. And then there's the TV and dresser drawers. And then the bunk beds are single beds. Nightstand. Again, no outlets here. And then over here, and then we have a mirror, table and chairs. There's outlets behind there, and a lamp, and a nice fan. And then it's a queen size bed over here. And then here's the best part about this room. Is the view. There's a nice big balcony with two chairs and a table. So that's it. I'm going to sit down and enjoy the view.